Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something mysterious, spooky, and totally misunderstood: the dark web. You've probably heard wild stories, but how much of it is actually true? Let's bust some myths. Here are the top 5 myths about the dark web. Debunked. Let's go. Myth number 1. The dark web is illegal to access. Let's start with the big one. Is it illegal to go on the dark web? Nope, that's a myth. The dark web itself isn't illegal. Using tools like the Tor browser is totally legal in most countries. It's what you do there that matters. Legal: reading news, researching, using secure communication. Illegal: buying drugs, weapons, stolen data. So, access isn't the crime, actions are. Myth number 2. Everyone on the dark web is a criminal. Another myth? Only criminals use the dark web. Wrong again. There are also journalists protecting sources, whistleblowers sharing truth, activists avoiding censorship, privacy-conscious users. Yes, bad stuff happens there, but so does important work. Myth number 3. The dark web is the same as the deep web. These terms get mixed up a lot, but they're not the same. Deep web equals stuff you can't find on Google, like emails, private databases, school portals. Dark web equals a hidden part of the deep web you need special tools to access. So, next time someone says they're exploring the deep web, ask if they just meant checking their email. Myth number 4. It's super easy to get hacked on the dark web. Some people think if you open the Tor browser, bam, you're hacked. But that's not how it works. Yes, there are risks, but just visiting a dark website won't instantly infect your computer. Stay safe by using trusted links, avoiding downloads, keeping your system updated, never entering personal info. Hacking doesn't happen automatically. It happens when you're careless. Myth number 5. The dark web is huge, like 90% of the internet. You might have heard this stat: the dark web is 90% of the internet. Actually, that number refers to the deep web, not the dark web. The dark web is just a small slice, maybe less than 5% of the whole internet. Most of the internet is just stuff search engines can't index, like password-protected sites, online banking, private servers, etc. So, now you know, the dark web isn't just a digital crime scene. It's misunderstood, mysterious, and sometimes helpful. Not all users are bad. It's not illegal to access, and it's definitely not 90% of the internet. Did we debunk something you believed? Drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who still thinks the dark web is all hackers and hitmen.